O sige, nabanggit na rin lang natin yung holidays and observances for today. Sige, tuloy na natin. Okay, holidays and observances brought to you by Royal Duty Free Shops. Alright, so share the blessings of the season with premium gifts from Royal Duty Free Shops. Bring luck and happiness into the new year with our lucky gift box, Poland Tikoy and Cole's Lucky Charms that can be yours when you visit our stores now. Okay? So kahit naman tapos na yung Chinese New Year, pwede pa rin kayo magregalo ng mga Chinese New Year stuff, the Chinese New Year gift selections, Lucky Fruit Box, Engbi Tin Tikoy, Cole's Lucky Charms and figurines, and many other. Ayan. Pero kanina, today, Chinese New Year, they had the Dragon and Lion Dance performance. Okay, at the Store 1 and Store 2 kaninang hapon to. Sayang, hindi ako nakapunta no? So, sorry na Royal Duty Free na hindi ako nakapunta na puyat na daming ginawa kagabi. Okay, so once again, I'll give you ample time to answer tonight's question of the night. What's your favorite thing about our Filipino-Chinese heritage? Yan. Sa mga Chinese din natin naman yung ano ba tawag doon, yung ampaw, 'di ba? Yung nagbibigay ng ng pera na nakabalot sa ampaw. Yan. Pati na rin yung Chinese lucky money, meron din tinatawag na lucky money. Hindi siya tunay na money pero ang ginagawa doon is sinusunog, 'di ba? Tama ba? Para daw pampaswerte, sabi. Alam niya ang Filipino-Chinese heritage natin. Marami ring it's rich in customs and beliefs, 'di ba? Dami. Para daw swerte, dami swerte. Pala swerte, wag kain wag kain apat paa. Iwas daw sa puro A, ayun. Asin, alat, apat paa. Para daw healthy, para swerte. Tapos sabi rin nung kaibigan kong Chinese, yung bandera, yung English nun, flag, di ba? Yung bandila, di ba? Tapos yung palaka daw, English din, flag. Kaya sabi niya, ple-pleho lang yan eh. Tapos yung tawag mo sa parang kapatid, di ba? Blood. Brad yun eh, blood sabi niya. Tapos yung dugo, di ba? Blood din. Sabi niya, ple-pleho lang yan, ple-pleho lang. Oo nga naman, ple-pleho lang eh, no? Yeah. Sagot na kayo sa topic natin, ha? Comment below. Write your answers to tonight's question along with your name, address, signature, and bring your own drop box. Ple-pleho lang yan, ple. Okay, so let me give you the today's holidays and observances. And again, famous birthdays brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Eto na. January 29, syempre, una muna, it's Chinese New Year. Again, in China, New Year lang. January 29 is also Free Thinkers Day, National Puzzle Day, Seeing Eye Dog Day. Uy, ganyan. Yan ang mga yung mga kaya nakakatuwa yung alaga na dog no? May trabaho sila di gaya ng pusa. Pansin niyo, 'di ba, yung mga dog may seeing eye dog, guard dog, drug sniffing dog, 'di ba? Ganun yung 'di ba? Yung mga pusa lang no? Masusungit. Tapos parang kasi ang pusa daw, the way they see it, they own you. Hindi kagaya ng dog, they see you as their master. Pero yung pusa, iba raw. They feel like they own you, ganun daw. Tapos, hindi mo sila pet, ikaw ay nasa territory nila nakikitira. Ganun daw ang ugali ng pusa. Kaya magkaiba sila ng behavior, di ba? Kaya nakakabilib ang dog no? Meron silang trabaho. Wala nga lang sweldo. Gaya nito, today is Seeing Eye Dog Day, ang January 29. Alright, so yan. Those are today's holidays and observances. Medyo konti lang, And for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. One of them is Boom Labrusca, Filipino actor Boom, hindi Broom. Boom Labrusca, yan. January 29, 1989. Kilala niyo si Boom Labrusca, 'di ba? Nagkaroon siya ng napaka-controversial na movie with Angel Aquino. Ano ba yung title ng movie na 'yon, no? Hindi ko na maalala yung exact title eh, pero yung binansag lang ng mga netizens na title niya. Ang title daw Laplapan. Yun ang naalala ko, yun. Also, actor Marvin Agustin, happy birthday to you, January 29, 1979. And next up we have the following Hollywood celebrities. Happy birthday to you. Oprah Winfrey turned 71 today. Si Oprah Winfrey, si Maring Oprah. Isa na yan sa pinakamayaman na babae sa Hollywood, no? In the US of A, no? Also, TV actress Madison Bailey turns 26 today. She is on the Netflix show Outer Banks. Ayun. You know, pagka yung actor or actress na i-cast in any Netflix movie, automatic na yun. Alam mo na. Next up, we have happy birthday also to Adam Lambert. Popular singer Adam Lambert turns 43 today. Pero bago siya naging sikat, he became the American Idol Season 8 runner-up. And he had an album featuring the singles If I Had You and What Do You Want From Me. Sumikat yan, medyo sumikat sa Pilipinas naman yung What Do You Want From Me. Si Adam Lambert na may mataray na kilay. And yes, he belongs to the mataray. He went out, yeah. Kaya masaya yan eh. Yung mga nag-went out, masaya yun. Oh, yung mga hindi pinigilan, medyo hindi, sinupres eh. Kaya be proud, di ba? Yeah, okay? Oh, speaking of that ha, eto lilinawin lang natin ha, kasi naniniwala din ako rito. Diba? Marami tayong kaibigan na member ng LGBT community, mga kaibigan natin na tanungin nyo sila, kaibigan ko talaga sila. Tama naman yung sinabi ni Trump na dalawa lang talaga yung genders, okay? Pero sabi rin niya, a lot of you probably don't know or don't understand. Wala namang problema if you're gay, if you're lesbian, if you're bi. Okay lang yun. Whatever makes you happy, okay lang. Alright? Pero don't insist na marami yung gender. Dalawa lang naman talaga eh. Diba? X or Y chromosomes lang yan. Diba? Ano yung chromosomes mo? X ba or Y? Alin lang doon sa dalawa? Walang chromosome na A, B, C, D, E, F, G. X or Y lang. Okay? Scientifically speaking, and naturally speaking, by nature, by science, by the grand design, yun lang talaga. Pero wala namang sinabing bawal maging gay, bawal maging... Wala, hindi naman ganun. Hindi lang yun naiintindihan si Papa Donald minsan eh. Si paring Donaldo Trumpo. Yun lang naman sabi niya, dalawa lang ang gender, pero it doesn't necessarily mean na dinidenounce or pinagkakait ang kaligayahan ng whatever makes you happy, di ba? Ako rin ganun din ang pananaw ko eh. Yung mga kaibigan ko, okay, masaya ako sa kanila, kaibigan ko sila eh, di ba? Whatever makes you happy, okay lang yun. Mas maganda pa nga yung mag-out ka ng mag-out eh, di ba? Meron nga hindi nag-out, ayaw, sinusuppress. O yun, tuloy. Ang sibangot lagi ng buhay. Mag-out ka na kasi, Dre. Sabihin mo na. Wala namang problema. Hindi kayo kinukontra ni Papa Donald Trump na wag maging gay, wag maging lesbian. Wala naman siya sinasabi. Sabi lang niya, dalawa lang ang gender. Yun lang naman yun, di ba? Ayun pa na totoo. Ano lang yun ha, points and view ko lang yun na sinishare ko sa inyo. It doesn't necessarily reflect that of the station, di ba? Kaibigan natin yung mga yung dami kong kaibigan nga na ganyan eh. Minsan pati nga ako nahahawa na rin eh. Para sa akin okay lang yun. Walang problema yun. Di ba? Yun. Okay? Ang mahirap lang yung ini-insist yung hindi totoo, di ba? Pati nga totoo, magpakatotoo tayo. Paran tayo sa totoo. Tapos na tayo doon. Kay Adam Lambert yun, 42 years old today. Si Tom Selleck naman turned 79. You guys remember Tom Selleck? Magnum P.I. He also had recurring roles on Friends, the most popular TV show in the world. And R&B singer Charlie Wilson. You remember Charlie Wilson? Pinasikat niya yung song na You Are. Tsaka ano pa ba? Basta yun. Okay, and also happy birthday to, who else do we gotta greet? Si Mr. Green Arrow, Justin Hartley, turns 48 today. Napakagwapong actor naman yan. Si TV actor, Justin Hartley. Yan. Crush yan ni Mahal eh. Muntik ko nang sakalin yun. Pag nakikita si Justin Hartley, tumitili-tili pa eh. Okay lang yun. Kasi crush ko rin naman yung isa pang birthday celebrant. So pareho kami. Si Heather Graham, or Heather Graham, turns 55 today. Movie and TV actress. Okay? Kung di nyo siya kilala, tatagal. Look up nyo na lang, Google nyo. Okay? And lastly, also happy birthday to TV actress Sarah Gilbert. Turns 50 today. Alright, so there you have it, celebrities and the likes celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, January 29 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
In addition, happy birthday to my good friend, si Mr. John Ellison Bore, aka also known as DJ Cycularium. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo pare ha. If you're listening, good. Good, listen. Just keep listening. Ayan, okay. So, who else do we gotta greet? Bukas ba? Meron ba magbe-birthday? Oh, wala ako bukas eh. Meron akong gig eh. Oh, di ba? January 30, si Kuya Bel Layawin. Si Ninang Mila Ginto, also January 30. Ayan, okay. Si batchmate Andrea Datugan de la Cruz. Ayan, bukas naman siya. Bukas din. January 30. Pati na rin si Idol Edward John Medina. Ayan. Pati na rin si batchmate din, Benny Kaingkoy, January 30. And ang ating kaibigang si Kuya Ricky Periars. I hope I said the name right. Pati na rin si Kuya Romelito Bebe. Ayan, batchmate. Ayan, always be my baby. Si Ate Michelle Ignisaban Punzalan, January 30 din, mag-birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Alright, so there you have it. The celebrities and then yung mga friends ko rin na magbe-birthday. Happy birthday sa inyo, ha? Alright? Okay, we need to take the quick bottom of the hour break. This will be real quick. Diyan lang kayo, okay, Alice? We will be back with more. Please do stick around.